If you're new here, welcome. I'm Raindrops, and if you are a returning drop, welcome back, y'all. Today's video, it's another crochet video. Told you guys I'm keeping my hair, you know, tied back, put away, waiting for it to grow back from me big chopping. And today I went into my local beauty supply store, and I'll insert the picture of what I was going in there for in the first place. And I didn't get that. I end up finding them, but at the bottom of the twist, it was like this ugly, weird corkscrew at the end of it. And I wasn't feeling it, so I didn't get it. I came across this, so I was like, you know how you see something and you want it and something goes wrong? So there's a sign that you shouldn't have had it or you shouldn't have did it. Well, I took that as a sign of I didn't need those twists at the moment. And I walked past this and caught my eye. And I don't think I've ever really come across 10-inch crochet hair. So this is the Outre X-Pression's BOHO Wavy Bomb Twist. Looks like this. They were $8.99 a pack at one of the beauty supply stores I like to shop at. Also from X-Pressions. I got 3 packs. They're 20 strands each, so 2, 4, 60 strands should be quite enough for my little ass head. This is my little pattern. I decided not to do the cornrows. I had stopped that years ago. And then when I was applying my wigs, I just cornrowed it back. But when I do my crochet hair, I really do like to do my section off pieces. So that's what I did. My hair is freshly washed. And yeah, they come in a lot of different colors. And what grabbed my, so let's start. The first one is 2T1B/30. And you guys know I'm going to apply this off camera and come back and show you guys the top. Again, I have a lot of crochet videos on my channel. It says this is lightweight and it's pre-looped. So again, this is the BOHO Wavy Bomb Twist 10-inch 2 times. The other color that I have is Dragonfruit. And it's also like this mixture. It looks like kind of like this auburn in like a 1B or even number 2. But that's what this is, the Dragonfruit. And then the last one, the third one I got was the Macchiato. And this is kind of like a 1B as well, but with like the blonde, probably like a T27 mixture in that. So I'm gonna put these in. I'm going to start out with the 2T1B30. I'm gonna put this at the back on the bottom. And then I'm gonna come in and mix the Macchiato and the Dragonfruit together. So when that is all, the back portion is all done, I'll come back on camera and do a few pieces with you guys. Okay guys, it is the next day. As you can see, I ran out of hair, so I had to wait until this morning and come down. And since I was coming to my mom's anyway, that's why the background is different. I'm at my mom's house. Some of you have been here before if you've been, you know, subscribed to my channel. So I ended up going back to get just 1 pack, and I opted for the Dragonfruit instead of the Macchiato. I want more of the the auburn color in my hair. So basically, this is how it looks. The blonde pieces are more of a highlight. So far, I really like this. I like how it looks and the style. I like the curls and the waves at the end. All I have to do is the front, so I'm going to show you guys what I did, and then, you know, lay my edges and baby hairs. So it literally took me 22 minutes to install what I have in my head already. So basically this is probably like a 30-minute install. So they are pre-looped. You just twist it back a little bit. And then I have my crochet needle. So put it on the hook. Close the latch. Pull it through. Put it on the end of the hair. Close the latch. And pull it through the hole. So I'm just gonna do this until I finish and let you guys watch. And I want you guys to see this really quick. So some of the pieces have the BOHO waves throughout, and then some of the pieces don't have any at all except for at the end. Okay guys, I'm gonna finish these last few pieces off camera, lay my edges and baby hairs, and then come back to you with the finished look. Okay guys, these are my final results. And I really love it a lot. I like the highlights, the blonde macchiato highlights in it. And I like how the copper and auburn are playing with each other. So in all, I used 4 packs. And again, this is 10 inches. And it came out really cute. So thank you guys for tuning in to another video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Hit the bell to turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload. Like this video, leave me a comment, definitely share, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.